Most of the students find these word problems very difficult, but they actually ignore very evident signs, very evident information that is hidden in that statement, and they should be able to read it quickly. And if they are, then they can solve this equation, in the linear equation, in just in minutes, in a very short time. For example, here if I write 5 more than, here I write 5 more than a number is 17, is 17. Okay, so now 5 more than. So the trick is that you will read here, it's 5 more, it means plus, more than a number, let that number is x, we don't know that number, so we call it x, and this is 17. Is means equal to, I'll write here equal to, so it's 5 plus x is equal to 17, and now you can easily solve it. It's only 12. Okay, so the other trick is that read the statement backward. Okay, and this trick saves the students from very wrong equations. Look, 7 less than a number, let's say 7 less than a number. I don't know that number. Okay, that is x. A number, that number is 1, that is x. Let's suppose, and 7 less than. So if I read it forward, I will write here 7 less than, I mean minus x, so it will become 7 minus x. That is obviously wrong. What's correct? The correct is the read the word in the reverse order. Read the word in the reverse order. So if I start from the number first, from the number first, 7 less than a number, so right here the number x, and then 7, 7 less than a number, means that number is is 7 less than x, so it's x minus 7. So the word then reverses order. This word then it reverses order, so it's important. And then for right here, uh, it's a one line structure. So the structure is that first you write the variable, then it's translation into maths, and then you make the equation, and then you solve it. So the solution itself, I think, is the easiest part. The most difficult part is formulation, and this whole set of steps, the whole set of steps is formulation. It's formulation, and this is where we find the real difficulty. For example, twice a number. If I write here a statement, twice a number, twice a number plus 3 equals 15. Okay, so twice a number is 2x. It's translation first. Twice means 2 times. So 2 times number, again it's x, it's unknown. So twice a number means 2 times plus. Plus is addition, this one. It's addition. Okay, plus 3 equals, is equal to 15. Twice a number plus 3 equals 15. Now, how easy it is to solve it now. 2x is equal to 15 minus 3, that is equal to 12. 2x is equal to 12. So if you divide both sides by 2 here, you get x is equal to 6. Thank you. Keep watching our videos and contact me on preply.com if you need further guidance.